Every year, millions of working people are faced with the daunting task of filing their federal income tax return. Those who struggle to do their taxes on their own often think their only option is to pay a commercial preparer to do it for them. Granite United Way's Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, or VITA, offers a better alternative for those who struggle at filing their tax return. And the best part? It's free! Our VITA volunteers are certified preparers who have been trained in the highest quality standards. They can put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket with the assurance that your return is prepared accurately and filed completely. VITA is an IRS-supported program that provides training and certification to volunteers from all walks of the community. Here in New Hampshire, Granite United Way operates VITA sites in Salem, Manchester, Concord, Franklin, Littleton, the Upper Valley, Northern New Hampshire, and Laconia, with partners providing similar service on the Seacoast and in the Monadnock region. VITA is currently seeking volunteers who can serve either as tax preparers or can help connect working families with other resources to increase their financial stability. And you don't have to be a financial professional to volunteer your time for this rewarding program.
Since I'm not a CPA and I'm not an accountant by training, I actually spent most of my career in the magazine publishing business. But I do have a comfort level with numbers and a comfort level with doing my own taxes, and anybody who has that kind of comfort level can certainly do this.
Thousands of people in New Hampshire and millions nationwide reach out to VITA sites to have their taxes prepared. The majority are working people who don't make a lot of money and who may find it very difficult to do their own taxes. Lily Roman has had her taxes filed at one of Granite United Way's VITA sites for several years now. Not only did Lily split a portion of her refund into her savings account, but she also took advantage of a prize money promotion offered by the Doorways to Dreams Fund. Lily entered Save Your Refund and, to her surprise and delight, won the grand prize of $25,000. This single mother of three said she always believed in saving for emergencies. This windfall will help her dream of home ownership to come true for herself and her kids. The split refund option is open to anyone who is receiving a tax refund. Many people have their entire tax refund direct deposited into their checking account. What they don't realize is they can split their refund into as many as 3 different accounts. To do this, simply attach Form 8888 to your tax return. Fill in the routing number and the account number for up to 3 accounts. For example, a checking account, a traditional savings account, or a special account such as an IDA, Individual Development Account. An IDA is a special matched savings account for qualifying households that supplements your account with matched funds drawn from a variety of public and private sources. IDAs can help you save for your first house or even provide funding for yourself or your children for college. To learn more about individual development accounts or matched savings accounts, call the New Hampshire Community Loan Fund at 800-432-4110. Another option is to invest a portion of your refund into a U.S. savings bond, either for yourself or someone else. At VITA, we use Series I bonds for as little as $50. Backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government, Series I U.S. savings bonds start paying interest in 1 year and continue to accrue interest for up to 30 years. Taxes can be confusing and frustrating. A key to understanding taxes is understanding withholding. Withholding is defined as the amount of money taken from employees' wages and paid directly to the government. It's like paying your taxes on layaway. The problem with withholding is many people have too much withheld and leave their paychecks lighter than they have to be. For those who are self-employed, they may not have enough withheld and wind up having to pay in at the end of the year. Fortunately, you don't have to do the math on your own. There is a tool on the IRS website that can help you calculate the appropriate amount withheld. Go to www.irs.gov and enter Withholding Calculator in the search box. With your most recent tax return and a paycheck stub handy, you can figure out if you're having too much or too little withheld. With that extra money in your paycheck, you can keep up with bills and even build a savings account.
Within the last couple of years, VITA has really helped me as far as I've been growing within my career, how to keep track of mileage and expenses related to my job. I had no idea before.
Often, working families can receive tax credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. These credits can pay the entire tax bill, which means there is no need to have any additional money withheld. It's like getting a gift card for your taxes. You can find more information about the withholding calculator, the split refund, the Earned Income Tax Credit, and other credits at www.irs.gov or ask your tax preparer if you're already a client at a VITA site. To find the location of the VITA site nearest you, call 211, our state's information and referral hotline. Simply dial 211.